First, I apply a really small amount of white vegetable fat to the mould. This could be either Trex or Crisco. If you do not have access to either of those, I would suggest maybe corn flour, cornstarch, or even a tiny little smear of vegetable oil. I'm now using adjusted or modified sugar paste or fondant. That sugar paste or fondant that's had some CMC or Tylos added to it so that it's a little firmer to use and the gum will make it less sticky. Press it down into the mould. Make sure it's flush. You now want to check that you can see all of the edges of the mould. If you can see the edges, you'll have a clean moulded piece. It'll pop directly out. And you will then have your large fabric puff. If you wish to make the small fabric puff, once again, use a tiny smear of white vegetable fat or any of the alternatives I've just suggested. Then taking a smaller piece of the adjusted or modified sugar paste or fondant, press it into the mould. I'm using a rocking action to make sure that the paste goes down into the mould itself. Once I'm happy that the mould is completely filled and level, I then open it up to make sure that I can see all of the edges. Once again, it will pop out and it will give you a nice small fabric puff. If you require half puffs to create straight top or bottom edges to your design, take a whole puff and a sharp knife and cut it directly down the center. This will then give you the pieces you require to finish with a straight top or bottom edge to your design.